the 2009 Infiniti G37. Powered by a 3.7-liter V6 engine. With a 6-speed manual transmission with overdrive, this rear-wheel drive convertible, with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Infiniti features multi-disc CD player, vehicle dynamic control, and sport package. Safety features include traction control, front and rear side airbags, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include backup camera, heated seats, and power hardtop. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.